masterpiece begins with the right foundation, high-quality metals such as gold durability needs and design style. The Purity 14K is chosen based on desired hardness and color tone. The metal is thoroughly inspected for consistency, ensuring a flawless base before shaping begins. 2. Metal stretching. Once the metal is prepared, it is melted, cast, and rolled into a strip or wire form. Using a rolling mill or draw plate, the metal is stretched and elongated to achieve the required thickness and width for the band. This process aligns the metal grain, increasing strength and flexibility. Precise measurements ensure that the band size will match the intended finger size after forming. 3. Banding forming the ring. The stretched metal strip is then curved and bent into a circular shape using mandrels and forming tools. The two ends are carefully joined, often by laser welding or soldering, to create a seamless circle. The joint is then filed and refined until invisible, forming a perfect continuous loop. For comfort fit designs, the inner edges are slightly rounded for smooth wear. 4. Cutting and sizing. If multiple rings are being created, the stretched strip is measured and cut precisely into sections based on ring size. Each piece is checked for exact dimensions before shaping. The cutting must be clean and accurate to ensure proper joining and minimal wastage. After forming, the band is remeasured and adjusted to the exact size using a ring stretcher or reducing tool. Polishing a handmade ring is one of the final and most important steps in the jewelry making process. It transforms a rough, newly crafted piece into a beautiful, mirror-finished ring that reflects light and craftsmanship in every curve. Comfort fit bands, extra care is taken inside the ring to keep it smooth against the skin. This step brings a soft matte finish to the metal before the high polish begins. This ensures that every part of the ring shines evenly. The artisan's touch keeps the piece looking natural, unlike machine-polished jewelry which can lose character. Now the real shine begins. The jeweler uses polishing compounds such as tripoli for cutting and rouge for finishing. Marking for diamond placement. Before setting, any diamond must mark the exact positions where each stone will sit. This marking process is one of the most precise and skillful steps in jewelry making. Using a scribe, divider, or fine needle tool, carefully marks tiny points on the metal surface where each diamond will be placed. Once the marking is confirmed, the ring is ready for drilling, seating, and stone setting. After marking, drilling small holes at each marked point, the size and depth of the hole depend on the stone's diameter and the chosen setting style. Proper drilling ensures that each stone fits securely and symmetrically in its position. Once the holes are drilled, seat or bearing the small surface where the diamond will rest. This is done using ball burrs, setting burrs, or gravers to match the diamond's girdle. Ensures the stone sits flush and level with the surrounding metal, with just the right depth for a secure hold. Steady hands and magnification are essential to ensure that each hole is perfectly aligned and evenly spaced. Proper drilling ensures that each stone fits securely and symmetrically in its position. The accuracy of the seat determines how evenly the diamonds align and how beautifully they reflect light. Joining or welding prong rods with the ring, building the foundation for the diamond setting. The ring's head or top surface is cleaned, flattened, and marked where each prong will be attached. The prong wires or rods are cut to exact length and filed to ensure a clean, even base for joining. Uses fine tweezers and magnification tools to position the prong rods on the ring. Tiny piece of solder, usually of the same metal alloy, is placed at the joint. Under a jeweler's torch, the solder melts and bonds the prong rod to the ring. Shaping and finishing the prongs. After welding, the joints are filed, shaped, and smoothed to blend seamlessly with the ring. The prongs are then bent slightly inward to prepare for diamond setting. Any rough or excess solder is removed by fine filing and emery polishing, giving a clean and professional appearance. This is done using ball burrs, setting burrs, or gravers to match the diamond's girdle edge. The jeweler ensures the stone sits flush and level with the surrounding metal, with just the right depth for a secure hold. The accuracy of the seat determines how evenly the diamonds align and how beautifully they reflect light. This step demands expert control. Even a tiny error can affect the ring's brilliance and balance. With the seat ready, the jeweler carefully places each diamond into position using precision tweezers and a microscope. Then, the metal is gently pushed or closed over the stone to hold it securely in place, smoothing sharp edges and repolishing the entire piece. This stage ensures the jewelry is both comfortable to wear and visually flawless. Each edge is carefully filed by hand until it's perfectly rounded and even. Special focus is given to the inner band for comfort-fit rings and around the prongs or stone settings to avoid any rough metal near the diamond. The goal is to create a soft, tactile finish that feels luxurious when worn. Ensures no remaining sharp edges or uneven spots. Confirms that stones remain tight after polishing. Verifies that the finish is consistent and reflective from every angle. Now the wedding band is complete, gleaming, balanced, and full of meaning. Every curve, edge, and shine reflects the artistry, precision, and dedication of the craftsman who created it. Whether displayed in a showroom, boutique, or online store, it's ready to find its new home, to become the everlasting symbol of a couple's love and promise.